Hello, I'm Jalene Andrews. As the leaves turn and the weather cools, it's a good time to refresh your living space ahead of the holidays. Joining us with some ways to update the inside of your home is Marcy Katz, Vice President of Newpro Home Solutions. Welcome back, Marcy.
Thanks so much for having me. And you're right, fall is a great time to rethink your home, especially your bathroom, where you start and end your day. And for many homeowners, an outdated or hard to clean bathroom can be a source of much stress. That's why now is the perfect time to consider a bath replacement with Newpro.
Yeah, a bathroom remodel can feel like a really overwhelming project for homeowners. It can also be intimidating. How does Newpro make it easy?
That is so true. Bathroom renovations have a reputation for being long, disruptive, and costly. But at Newpro, we specialize in a fast and affordable bath replacement solution that can be completed in as little as just a couple of days.
Yeah,
We offer Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, no, you're good. Keep going.
We offer custom solutions like tub to shower conversions, deep soaker tubs, and more. So you can have a brand new modern bathroom without the hassle of a full remodel.
Yeah, just a couple of days. No one can argue with that. What are some signs that people need a bathroom renovation?
So there are some telltale signs. If your bathroom shower is looking old, stained, cracked, or just difficult to clean, it might be time for an upgrade. You might also notice that mold or mildew buildup in the grout or the caulking, which can be very, very hard to manage and clean. And of course, safety, that's a huge factor. And if you're dealing with those slippery surfaces or stepping over those high tub walls, our solutions can help make your bath safer and so much more accessible. Plus, all of our designs or all of our products are designed with durability and easy maintenance in mind. Our panels, they contain a built-in cleaning agent called Microban that's going to fight off that mold and mildew and keep your shower looking sparkly new without all that scrubbing. And our designs, they are fully customizable. You can choose from a variety of colors, patterns, fixtures. You're going to create a look that matches your style, and everything is installed with precision by our expert teams, ensuring a perfect fit every time. And like I said, in as little as just a couple of days.
Yeah, really the perfect project before the holidays that will certainly impress your guests. Marcy, you have a special promotion for our viewers to get started.
I sure do. So right now you can take advantage of our fall savings event. That's 50% off installation, plus no interest or payments for 18 months. And just for your viewers, we're going to offer an extra $250 off their bath project if they call right now.
All right, wonderful. You can call that number on your screen to schedule that free consultation. Thanks again for your time today, Marcy.
Thanks so much.
All right, and you can learn more by visiting newprobath.com. For CT Buzz, I'm Jalene Andrews.